Okay.
Try this stuff out of this. It's supposed to make flames different colors, right?
Yep.
Like rainbow.
Alright, we'll give it a try.
It's gonna be so cool.
We'll give it a try here. First we'll light up a fire and then we'll try out your stuff, your colored fire stuff.
Here you go, babe. Wait until it gets going a little better.
Oh, it's gonna be so cool.
We'll let it get going. Hold on. What's the matter?
Cold.
You're freezing?
Not freezing, but cold. Oh. Why there? I approached the fire as I am the holder of the powder. Oh. That's warm.
There we go. There's a fire.
There.
Now we got a fire. Let me see them.
She wanted to throw.
You want to throw them in? There, go. Toss one in there. There's a good throw. One right there. Let's see what happens.
Oh. You see him changing a little?
We're getting there. I don't know.
Nothing yet. Do you hear air whizzing? I think we should step back.
This is old anyway. Doesn't work.
See a little color change, Bean?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah.
I see some blue flames.
I see green. I see green.
There. Wiggle it around a little bit here. Oh, there it goes.
There.
Blue flame.
Oh boy, look at that. There you go.
Well, you got your blue flame.
Spectacular.
Ooh, that's warm.
Yeah, well, you guys were cold a minute ago.
Yeah.
Not now.
Nope.
There we go.